Did you know that some billionaires own homes that are worth more than entire neighborhoods? Home, a word that evokes feelings of comfort, warmth, and security. For most of us, it is a place of modesty and utility. But for the world's richest billionaires, the concept of home has transcended beyond the ordinary. In this video, we will take you on a captivating journey through the incredible homes of some of the world's wealthiest billionaires. From tech titans to business moguls, get ready to explore the extraordinary residences that showcase their vast fortunes. Jeff Bezos. Let's kick things off with Jeff Bezos, the visionary founder of Amazon. Bezos has amassed an impressive real estate portfolio across the United States, from his home state of Washington to the bustling streets of New York City. According to the Land Report, Bezos ranks as the 28th largest landowner in the country. In the quiet town of Medina, Washington, Bezos boasts not one, but two sprawling homes spanning 5.3 acres. One is a 26,600 square foot mansion featuring 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The other, an 8,300 square foot gem, also offers 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Rumor has it that this second property cost a staggering $53 million. Bezos also has his eyes set on Beverly Hills, one of Los Angeles' most elite neighborhoods. In 2017, he purchased a comparatively modest 4-bedroom, 4,568 square foot home for $12.9 million. Bezos set a new record by purchasing this 9-acre property for an eye-watering $165 million, making it the most expensive home ever sold in Los Angeles. Not stopping there, Bezos owns the largest house in Washington, D.C. He acquired the former textile museum for $23 million, rubbing shoulders with prominent neighbors like the Obamas, Ivanka Trump, and Jared Kushner. Our next billionaire, Elon Musk, known for his pioneering work at Tesla and SpaceX, has a unique take on luxury living. While he once owned an impressive array of properties around Los Angeles, he has taken a different approach recently. Musk's primary residence is a surprisingly modest 375 square foot tiny house, which he rents from his own company SpaceX. But don't be fooled by its size. This tiny box house is equipped with a full-size kitchen, bathroom, living room, and all the amenities you'd expect. Musk's unconventional approach to real estate became even more evident when he made a major shift in his living arrangements. In the past year, he made the bold decision to sell off most of his real estate assets and relocate to Texas. Now let's turn our attention to Bill Gates, the software giant turned philanthropist. Gates' residence, known as Xanadu 2.0, stands as a testament to his success and impeccable taste. The 66,000 square foot mansion on Lake Washington boasts a whopping 25 bathrooms, 8 bedrooms, and is located with advanced technology. It took 7 years and $63 million to construct this masterpiece, which has become a gathering place for the affluent in the area. But that's not all. Gates' real estate holdings extend beyond Washington. In Southern California, he acquired a vast ranch from fitness icon Jenny Craig. This sprawling property covers 228 acres and features not only a racetrack, but also a guest house, office, veterinary suite, and even an orchard. Next up, Mark Zuckerberg, the mastermind behind Facebook. While Zuckerberg's Palo Alto home might seem relatively modest by billionaire standards, it offers a unique blend of historic charm and cutting-edge technology. Originally built in 1903, the house has undergone extensive renovations, including the installation of a custom-made artificial intelligence system that controls various aspects of the property, from lighting to temperature. Zuckerberg's home showcases his fascination with innovation and seamless integration to ensure his privacy and maintain a sense of seclusion. Zuckerberg adopted an interesting strategy. He acquired surrounding properties, effectively creating a buffer zone that shields his main residence from prying eyes. This approach speaks to his desire for a tranquil and secure living environment, allowing him to focus on his work and family without undue distractions. Zuckerberg's passion for privacy and nature extends to his land parcels in Kauai, Hawaii. With an ambitious vision in mind, he has invested heavily in creating an expansive getaway for his family. Our next stop is Warren Buffett's primary residence. It is a charming and unassuming home located in Omaha, Nebraska. This 6,750 square foot house with 5 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms stands as a testament to his reputation for frugality and modesty. The house, nestled in a quiet neighborhood, is a far cry from the opulent mansions typically associated with the ultra-rich. What makes this residence unique is not its grandeur, but its historical significance. Purchased for just $31,500 in 1958, the home has been Buffett's steadfast abode for decades. Its value has appreciated over time, now estimated to be around $800,000. Larry Ellison, the visionary co-founder, chairman, and chief technology officer of Oracle Corporation, known for his extravagant taste and lavish lifestyle, nestled in the picturesque town of Woodside, California. This 23-acre estate boasts a magnificent 8,000 square foot mansion. Inspired by Japanese imperial design, the estate features lush gardens, a serene tea house, a koi pond, and a sparkling lake, creating an ambience of tranquility and luxury. Ellison invested a staggering $200 million to upgrade the property. Ellison's love for coastal living is evident in his extensive real estate holdings in Malibu, California. Perhaps the crown jewel of Ellison's real estate empire is the Hawaiian island of Lanai. In a remarkable display of extravagance, he purchased a staggering 98% of the island for $300 million in 2012. Mukesh Ambani, an Indian business magnate and the richest person in India. At the heart of Ambani's residential opulence lies his crown jewel, the remarkable Antilla. This towering 27-floor skyscraper, valued at over $1 billion, redefines the concept of a lavish home. Situated in Mumbai, India, within its confines, the mansion showcases the finest craftsmanship and design. Beyond Antilla, Ambani's penchant for luxurious living extends to other properties. In the serene landscape of Kauai, Hawaii, Ambani has invested significantly, acquiring expansive land parcels that span over 1,400 acres. This stunning getaway, with its ocean views and organic farm, offers a retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing Ambani and his family to bask in the lap of nature's beauty. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul, talk show host, and philanthropist, Oprah's residences are a reflection of her boundless success and her unique approach to combining comfort with a touch of extravagance. Tucked away in the affluent enclave of Montecito, California, Oprah's primary residence is a sprawling estate that exudes luxury from every corner. This impressive 23,000 square foot mansion, acquired for a staggering $50 million in 2001, stands as a testament to her immense influence and personal style. The interior showcases her impeccable taste, with carefully curated decor, lush furnishings, and stunning artworks that resonate with her unique journey and identity. Oprah's real estate portfolio also extends to the picturesque Orcas Island in Washington state. Here, she has carved out a slice of paradise, encompassing a breathtaking 41-acre estate. This oasis of luxury includes an 8-bedroom, 6.25-bathroom mansion that overlooks the tranquil waters, providing a retreat for rejuvenation and inspiration. Our final chapter leads us into the world of the late Steve Jobs, the visionary co-founder of Apple Inc. Jobs' approach to architecture and residences was as unique as his approach to technology and design. Steve Jobs' primary residence in Palo Alto, California was a reflection of his minimalist aesthetic and his penchant for blending functionality with elegance. This 1930s mansion, nestled in a quiet neighborhood, stood as a stark contrast to the opulent homes of many other billionaires. The mansion, spanning over 5,700 square feet, was a testament to Jobs' design philosophy: clean lines, simplicity, and a focus on the essentials. It was a sanctuary where he could retreat from the technological whirlwind he had helped create. And there you have it! We showcase the incredible homes of the world's richest billionaires. From the lavish to the modest, from opulent mansions to serene retreats, each residence reflects the individuality and aspirations of those who inhabit them. While these homes may seem worlds apart from our own, they remind us that the essence of a home is universal, a place where we find solace, create memories, and forge connections. Whether a tiny box house, an architectural marvel, or a historic mansion, these homes are a testament to the limitless possibilities that wealth can bring. Yet, also underscore that true fulfillment is found in the meaning we infuse into these spaces. If you liked our content and would like to see more of these amazing luxuries, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of our next epic video.